Hello, my collectors. I am Kanchi, and this is Channeling by Kanchi. I really appreciate you all to watch my readings if you come across onto this channel. And as this is my fifth or sixth reading, I am very happy to have all of those people who have watched my reading. Thank you so much for watching my readings. And so let's dive into our today's message. Okay, so I'm seeing here this with this Ten of Wands energy in reverse. I got the message of something where, uh, like somebody is releasing. Like some of you, whoever is there in this collective who is listening this message. First of all, this is a timeless reading, so you can go through my all of readings. Okay, they all are timeless. And next is this reading is going to resonate on to everyone who is. Despite of the fact he's male or female. Okay, so he or she means both. So with this Ten of Wands energy, um, I got the insight that right now a time is coming for you to release all of the burdens and all of the stress which you have been carrying from a very long time period. Okay, maybe the duration would be somewhere around 2 years, 3 years. Okay, this is I'm getting. And for some of you, maybe you guys were in a loop and just waiting for some miracle to happen in your life. But see, there is a person in your life right now currently who is manifesting you. Okay, and you have been waiting for somebody since a very long period of time. Like you have lost all of your hopes, like if this person is going to come towards you, if this person is not going to come towards you. But I'm seeing here that somebody is actually manifesting you in their life because they see it. Maybe you have waited for a very long period of time, and now actually you have just lost all of your interest, you have lost all of your hopes and desires. Then you've just walked away, like in your life, move on from someone who was actually not persistently, I'll say, a narcissist, but I can clearly see here an avoidant. Okay, the person who avoids the connections or the responsibilities which they don't want to face. Okay, so here seeing it is like somebody is like manifesting you in their life. Somebody wants to have a new fresh start with you because they it seems to me like you have lost interest when you have surrendered to this universe. And maybe very recently it has happened, or maybe like the time period would be somewhere around 5 months or 3 months. Okay, you would have lost all of your interest, but somebody is just feeling so much for you. Okay, you can also take someone. Okay, so right now I'm seeing here the person who is manifesting you in their life, they are currently having a lot of like priorities. Okay, they are, maybe they have juggled you with someone else, maybe they have juggled you with a lot of priorities in their life. Maybe you could be in the relationship where you have faced a lot of insecurities. Why this person is not calling me, why this person is not texting me, why this person is not giving my required time to me which I wanted from this person. But they weren't able to say, like they were so busy in their own task and they just avoided the connection because they don't wanted to take the responsibility. Now they are, it seems like they just want to take the responsibility. And even when they are just trying to fix out the things, like uh, how it could be possible to like control or just have a um, just to fix everything with you and just to take care and take the responsibilities of you as well and your connection as well. You could be in a relationship with an avoidant, I'm seeing here. Okay, With this judgment in reverse, I it seems to me like you have a kind of self doubt onto yourself, like whether a person is going to come towards you, whether this person is not going to come towards you. Okay, and for a very longer period of time, I felt a kind of like a energy which is getting me into the series of like disappointments. Maybe this person have faced a lot of disappointments after uh, deceiving you, after betraying you, for not taking the responsibility of this connection, and you as well. Okay, let's see with some more cards what is actually we are getting. With this Queen of Pentacles in reverse, this person is seeing you as somebody who is right now taking care of your like themselves. Okay, who is busy in their own world and they are independent right now without taking care of whole family. Okay, I am seeing here you are being very very nurturing. You have been very very kind and nurturing towards this person, and right now you are wanting to be this independent person in their life, because they think that, not in their life, but they are imagining you as somebody you are being in their life only. Okay, you have never gone out of the connection. Maybe this connection have ended like all of a sudden, very abruptly, and out of the like they have felt very much like out of nowhere. They have felt a kind of like out of the blue, you can say. They were so much into their own problems, and like the distance from you was bothering this person a lot, so they just can't take care of themselves, and they haven't ever just confirmed themselves that they were being with you in a connection, and they just wanted to feel the connection from within, but they've just avoided this connection instead. Okay, and after doing that with you, after ghosting you and maybe stop texting, stop calling, stop giving you attention, they have faced a lot of bad karmas in their life. Okay, Empress. Okay, wow. So I'm seeing here this person is seeing you as an Empress right now. They're just viewing you as an Empress because they feel like you're somebody who is very beautiful, very abundant, very happy, very nurturing, kind, peaceful, very much like alluring, and also like somebody who does not wanting anyone and does not needing anyone. So it is a very beautiful energy where they feel so like you're taking a good care of yourself, and like this is the energy of Venus. Like Venus is all about shine, all about luxury, all about like I am just taking care of myself. They just know their worth. Okay, so it is your energy is like that. Let's see more about this current situation. Okay, so this person is just feeling like they're having a lot of emotional baggage uh, without you. They cannot process it, and they haven't processed it since they have ghosted you, since they have blocked you. Maybe you have blocked this person out of nowhere. You just find yourself to uh, feel stuck in a situation or in a loop, like somebody who is in a rat race. Okay, rat wheel. Okay, so you just wanted to come out of the connection where you just felt so much of like feeling very much lost, one sided. Now it seems to me like you are being very much happy, but this person is facing a lot of like baggage. Okay, emotional baggage. They can't process these emotions, where you have gone. Okay, where you are, and they wanted to connect with you. Maybe you could have received any kind of like communication from this person, and you've just avoided it. I don't know why, but maybe you guys are just this person is feeling like you are being very much into self preservation, self care, self perfectionist energy, where you just want to where you just don't want to be remote anymore in your current situation. You want to move along, you want to see the world, you want to explore more, you want to just love your life, live your life. Like, life is so beautiful, life is so amazing, and you have made your life like this right now. So this person is feeling very much like they are just looking at your picture, social media, so maybe somewhere from a very psychic medium as well. They are just trying to approach the psychic mediums, psychic tools. They are just connecting with someone like tarot card reader or somebody, or maybe you guys are in a telepathic connection, tarot twin flame connection, sorry. So they are just trying to send you some kind of messages. They just want to they just want to come out of that blockage, that baggage, where they are feeling so much of bad about leaving you behind. They just want to start a new fresh, and they wanted to come out of this regretting position. Okay, and let's see what is coming more intuitively. Let's see. Okay, so here it is coming the tower in reverse. Okay, so I'm seeing here that your sufferings, your unwanted like projections, maybe somebody did onto you both to just separate you, just make you apart. I'm seeing here this person is just knowing, try to uh, get the whole scenario, trying to figure out like what's going on, what is the scenario, what's the tea basically behind the scenes where you just got separated. Okay, who was behind the scenes and who was creating problems behind the scenes. Okay, so right now this person wants to uh like just wanted to explore, discover who is behind it, and they wanted to take a clear cut decision. Like, now I wanted to change everything. Like, with this tower moment, I'm seeing here this person wants to make this tower moment to be like a delayed suffering. Okay, so you guys have already suffered a lot, and right now this person just wants to come out of their they just want to come out of their illusionary mind and wanted to work towards you. Okay, okay, 8 of cups. So this person wants to contact you. Okay, and here is the so marriage bells are ringing, guys. This person wants to contact you. This person wants to have a new fresh start with you, and they just want to communicate with you in a very very beautiful form because they want a commitment with you. Okay, I'm seeing here like they just want to come towards their happiness and don't want it to waste their time and like waste their time on anything which is not that important for them. Okay, for you it's like homecoming. Okay, and it's like home sweet home energy. I am seriously feeling like this person don't want to move on from you. They have never moved on from you, and they are just wanting to have this four of wands with you. This is a celebration energy, and I clearly see here you guys will be extremely happy, like extremely happy. So this was your reading. Thank you so much for claiming it. If you claim it, then please do write Shiv Shakti in the comment section, and I'm going to like I just love all of your comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching this reading. If you like this reading, then please put the thumbs up and also subscribe. Just below the thumbs up you can just check on the left side subscribe button. Just click that subscribe button and enjoy my readings as long as you like. Okay, thank you so much for watching my readings. Take care. Bye bye.